Shaka Shaka. Hi, this is Bruce DeFreitas. Thanks for watching me build my model ship, the Lady Tara. It was designed in Essex on the East Coast, and she was the fastest sailing ship of her time. And she was also a fisherman. So they actually, after working, they would have these big contests and races on the East Coast. So it was fun putting her together. In this video, you'll be seeing us put together the keel and the frames on the keel. Also, we'll be planking up the sides from the waterline, and this video will take you as far as all the planking on the sides go. Thanks for liking and subscribing to this video, and please stay tuned for more builds. Shaka Shaka. I'm installing the frames on the keel, gluing them together. Just about ready to finish this. There. The frames are on the keel and it needs to dry. I've removed the tops to facilitate clamping when I start doing the planking on the outside. Here. So I've started gluing up the waterline planking. I like to do that first because when they're done right, then all the other planking looks good alongside it. Looks nice and straight, and it's like you know what you're doing. So I've glued these two pieces, and then from there I'll start to plank to the top of the gunnel. So I've planked up the side all the way from the bottom of the keel to where it is right now. This is perhaps the hardest part to do because it's called the turn of the bilge, and it requires a skinnier width to make the turn. This was the width that I was using before, a 9/16. Now I've made some 5/16, which would allow me to get a rounder curve and simulate a circle so that I have like a really beautiful wine glass shape at all times. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this piece up and keep on going until I get to the top. Shaka Shaka. Right, I've gone ahead and planked her all the way to the gunnel where the rub rail is going to be, and did both sides. Also cladded the keel. I made the keel out of pine, so I wanted to clad it and have all that beautiful teak look, so I put a veneer on it. As you can see, she's as sleek as a ship can be, and she looks more like a fish as she's going to move through the waters. Really beautiful design. Yeah. You can see the symmetry of the frames. The next thing I'm going to do is put in the rudder. And the rudder is going to come through here, and I'm going to stay it onto here. And then I'm going to flip it over and do the planking on top of the deck. All right, moving right along. Shaka, shaka, shaka.